Today I'll be reviewing my exercise bike. First and foremost, this exercise bike was sent over for a review, so I assembled it and I'm going to go ahead and test it out, see how it looks, feels, and functions. So the assembly was pretty simple. Everything you need comes in the box, and there's even a step-by-step video if you're more of a visual learner like myself. If you prefer reading, the manual walks you through the process too. I like that both options are given so you can make sure it's put together the right way. This bike is super lightweight but yet sturdy, made with commercial grade steel and supports up to 300 pounds. Even though it's solid, it is very easy to move around, and this is thanks to the built-in wheels. So one of the standout features that I noticed is the 16 levels of magnetic resistance. It has levels 1 through 4 that are great for warming up, 5 through 8 for cardio, 9 through 13 if you want more of a challenge, 14 through 16 for intense sessions. It's also really quiet. The LCD display tracks your time, speed, distance, calories, and your heart rate. It also has a built-in phone holder, so you could watch videos, follow along with the workout, or just scroll while you cycle. The sensors are built into the handles, so it's easy to keep an eye on your stats while you ride. Your seat is also adjustable and easy to move into position. The pedals also come with adjustable foot straps to help keep your feet secured and in place while you ride. If you're looking for a comfortable and quiet way to stay active without leaving your house, then definitely check this one out.